Hello and welcome to this channel. Thanks for taking the time to view this video. It's a new channel that I'm starting, basically documenting our experience on converting the van and real life situations in the van when you're actually out on site, what we could do better, differently to improve it or not. With this one at the moment that we've affectionately named Bumblebee. I expect you can tell by all the bits and pieces around. This will be a walk around this build, then I will go over individual items and do a more in-depth video if people are interested. We have another van on the go at the moment that's just starting, and that one I should be documenting the actual build all the way through from start to finish. So hopefully you join me. You may be the first person watching this, hopefully not the only one, but we will see. It's a 2016 long wheelbase Sprinter. We bought it just before, probably 6 months before lockdown, so we've had plenty of time to get this one converted, although it took double the time we thought it would take, as everything does I think. On this build we're all electric. We've got 400 amps of battery power, a 4 kilowatt inverter, we've got 810 watts of solar on the roof, max air fan, extract fans, shower, toilet, wardrobe, microwave, fridge, freezer, induction hob, full-size sink, swivel front seat, another Sprinter seat put behind. These flip up, you've got plenty of storage underneath, which comes in really handy when you're travelling. Anybody out there who's actually travelled, you realise how much stuff you take with you, especially clothes and bits and pieces. It just ends up everywhere. So the main purpose, plenty of storage under the seats, wardrobe, big cupboards above the bed. For us, we really wanted a fixed bed. We wanted the back of the van blocked out with a headboard so that we wouldn't sleep in next to the double doors at the back. So we've done that, which you'll see in a bit. In the garage, we've got a 210 litre, or 200 litre fresh water tank, Specker heater under the van, DC to DC charger, Victron, 2 Victron chargers. The batteries are configured in a parallel and series configuration, giving 24 volts power system. And then we got everything is individually fused on a mains breaker unit. The Specker unit, which is situated under the van, that controls our hot water and heating, and that has been brilliant. That is really good. We have a heat exchanger which feeds a heater in the galley. That's a 5 kilowatt heater, and that'll warm this van up in no time at all. Even if it's right down to 1 or 0 degrees, that will bump that up within half hour to comfortable heat. Hot water in the shower and the sink, so it's all fed off of that. We have hot water within sort of 5 minutes from switching that on. For us, I find that works best, rather than having a tank that you've got to heat up for half hour and then you use it, and you can have like a 3-minute shower basically. With this one, if you've got a big water tank, I mean we've got 200 litres, I mean you can have a shower to as long as that water's in that tank. So for us, not everyone, but for us that works better. Yeah. if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could follow, subscribe, perhaps put some comments in the comments below. Let me know what you would like to see documented, whether it's the electrics, the solar, making the roof bars for the roof, doing the plumbing. On all the doors we've used acrylic, black deep gloss acrylic. Everything is built out of aluminium profile to give a really strong rigid structure. But yeah, that would be really nice if anybody followed me, give me some comments and feedback. As I said, it is the first one basically, so hopefully they get better, and the plan is to do one a week. So everyone take care, and see you next week.